Hey everybody, welcome to Mad Fox Studios. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your own double-sided collage that you can make from scrap paper and ephemera, and then we're going to show you an application in which we think applying this is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, we have some wax paper rolled out on our work surface, plenty of scrap paper and ephemera, some glue sticks, some distress medium, and of course, you don't want to forget your distress ink as well. And let's go ahead and get this process started. All right, the first step is we're gonna take the glue sticks, we're gonna start applying it to the back of some of these random pieces of scrap. Here is an excellent opportunity for you to kind of let your creative juices flow while also getting rid of some of those scrap pieces that you really didn't know what to do with. And that is the whole point of this. This is gonna take really undesirable pieces of paper and turn them into something beautiful. I will say this, scrap paper is not always created equal. You may have some favorites of yours you've been wanting to do something with. Now's your opportunity, but don't put those here in the first stage. You want to save those, set those aside. You don't want those to get buried underneath something that you don't want it to be shown. So again, my tip for you guys, keep those set aside, and then at the very end, place those where you want, and you'll have something that will be a focal point. And otherwise, it would have been just a piece of trash. This is kind of one of those trash to treasure projects. As you can see here, there is no wrong way to do this. We're just putting this wherever we want, and we're just gonna let it play out and kind of let things flow. And I hope you enjoy the creative process here. All right, as we're putting our scrap paper down, I do want to tell you a couple things that we're doing to make things a little bit visually appealing. One is we're ripping the paper on the fly, giving it some texture. We're taking that distress ink and we're actually gonna burnishing the edges of some of these pieces, giving it a kind of old, worn, tattered look. Another thing we're doing is we're taking the paper itself and we're crumpling it up and then reflattening it back out, giving it some texture, gluing it down. These are all these techniques that we want to share with you to make really scrap paper look presentable again. And as you see here, it's looking pretty darn nice. And again, we got an application for this later in this video that you're gonna just, well, we think you're gonna just love. It turned out fantastic. And as you can see, the process is going pretty quickly. Yes, it is sped up, but this whole thing took maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. And then once this is all done, here's where the magic happens. Check this out. Okay, scrap paper is down, but here is really why we're able to do this. You take this distress collage medium and you're gonna apply it to the surface. You're gonna go ahead and flood the surface. I wanna show you a quick technique here that we use by using the flat edge of the brush. This is something that we've done for a while now and we have great results with it. It tends to work a little bit better than just painting it on in your traditional manner. Now, once you've done this, do it across the whole surface, let it dry. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes. But once that's finally completed, this is what you can do. Right off the wax paper, it comes. And now you have a double-sided collage that you can use in any application that you can think of. However, let me show you what we did. So we found an old 12-drawer cabinet at a garage sale, and this was the perfect application for this distress collage that we made. As you can see here, it really makes this piece pop. It looks great, it looks vintage, and it's unique, and it's all your own. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.